Hello friends, in today's class we are going to see example 3 for syntax directed translation. Welcome again, and this is the third example of that we are discussing for the syntax directed definition. So now this will give you where we can use this in terms of programming construct. And one of the requirement of IR intermediate, one of the representation of intermediate code, okay, intermediate code. One of the representation of intermediate code is the postfix expression. Okay, one of the representation is postfix expression. Okay. So now this is one of the intermediate form. In intermediate form or intermediate code is not right word. Intermediate form. So one of the linear form is your postfix expression, and this there is a it's an expression grammar and the semantic rule. And what we'll do here that we will just see that we'll follow the rule, and ultimately what this semantic rule will do is convert this expression and an expression to corresponding postfix expression. Okay, so this is what it will do. It will convert it into a corresponding postfix expression. Okay, so the sentence, the string that is given to you is 5 plus 6 plus 7, and as usual what we'll do, we'll just draw the parts tree first. Okay, so I'll use this grammar to derive this, and we have a 2 plus operator. So expr will derive expr plus ter, and then again we will have expr plus ter and expr to term, and term will derive 5, term will derive 6, and term will derive 7. Since we have already discussed this example, I can be swiftly move that here term dot t will be equal to 5, expr dot t will be equal to 5, here term dot t will be equal to 6, and here term dot t will be equal to 7. Here expr dot t will be equal to what? Plus. So what you see here, expr1 dot t, then this is a symbol, and this symbol is nothing but concatenation. Don't think it as or. So this is explicitly, let me write here, concatenation. Okay, so that symbol is concatenation. So here expr1 dot t, that is 5, and then term dot t, that is 6, and there is a plus. So 5, 6 plus. Final value here expr dot t will be equal to what? Expr1 dot t, which is children, 5, 6 plus, then term dot t, that is 7, and then other plus. Okay, so 5 plus 6 plus 7 finally translated to what? 5, 6 plus, and then 7 plus, and that is nothing but what? This is a translation to a nothing but a postfix expression. Okay, so that is some, you can say, some real example where this syntax directed translation can be used. Okay, so translating a sentence into a, we have seen the value, and this one is translating into a postfix expression. So that's all for this discussion. Thank you.